We're on.
Hey, Joe from F4 Defense. We've got a lot of different products here. Some of our newer products are these small frame AR-10s that we've designed. Basically the lightest on the market right now in the AR-10 platform. So this is a 6.5 pound 6.5 Creedmoor proof research barrels. Our billet upper and lower, and then our patented handguard it's called the adaptive rail system. That's this one here and this one here. Basically we do M-lock and Picatinny built right into the profile of the rail, so you don't have to use any adapters or anything like that. We also offer a full line of AR-15s here and different variations of the small frame AR-10 over here. This is our law enforcement model. Different barrel calibers, different manufacturers for our barrels, but we're real proud of our products. This is our new F4 Nighthawk. It's the lightest small frame AR-10 on the market at 5.8 pounds. 308 caliber, carbon fiber, proof research barrel, super lightweight rifle.